Hope unyat umungot. Oh my God. Hindi po tawagin na chararat. Alright, mate?
So greedy, bro.
Grabe! Nindot kaayo! Dudugo ilong ko nito. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pearl. So for today's vlog is we called how do you say vlog? So si Yuan, hi, meet Yuan. This is
No.
Michaela's boyfriend. He is African, South African, correct?
Opo.
Dudugo ilong ko nito.
So basically, we're gonna do how do you say challenge. So basically, he's gonna say the word in Afrikaans. I'll say it in Tagalog, and she'll say it in Bisaya. And Tatiana will say it in New Zealand
New
style.
Zealand,
The
Kiwi style, Kiwi style, English. Okay, so, okay, Ralph.
What?
Ano na, Ralph? Anong number one?
Number one. Good morning.
Goedemorgen.
Magandang umaga.
Maayong buntag.
Morning.
Let's go to number two.
Sit down,
Okay.
love.
Number two. Glad to meet you.
Goed om jou te ontmoet.
Ano? How do you say it?
Goed om jou te ontmoet.
Hope unyat umungot. Oh my God.
Okay. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala.
Nalipay ko nga nakaila ko nimo.
How's it going?
Okay. So number three. Ugly.
Lelijk.
Pangit.
Pwede po tawagin na chararat. Batignaong.
Kinda ugly, bro.
Kinda ugly, bro.
Okay. Number four. What's wrong with you?
Wat is fout met jou?
Anong problema mo?
Unsa may problema nimo? Or nga naman ka? Number 4.
What's going on, bro?
Bro.
Number 4. What's going on, bro?
Okay.
You alright, mate? Okay, next.
Okay. Number five. Greedy.
Gierig.
Matakaw.
Sakim. Pwede sa laog.
So greedy, bro.
Basically,
So
always
greedy,
a
bro.
Okay. Number six. Delicious.
Lekker.
Masarap.
Kalame.
Sweet ass, bro.
Smeer.
What is sakam?
Lekker.
Oh, laker.
Opo.
Laker.
Okay. So number seven. Amazing.
Ongelooflijk.
Ang galing.
Grabe! Nindot kaayo! Number 7.
Oi, you're so loud. 8.
No! Number 7.
Oh.
Oh, mali.
Yeah.
Sweet as bro.
No, I already said that.
Oh no, it was supposed to be it's supposed to be delish.
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 Kalami.
Okay.
Delicious. Delish. Okay.
So what number was it?
8.
8.
Eight. Okay. Number eight. You're so noisy.
You would just say, jij lawaai. Jij is lawaaierig.
Yellow vibe. Yes, Lavira. Oh, lava na kong ulo.
Ang ingay mo.
Hina-hina sa imong ba, ha?
8. Oi, you're so loud.
Oei.
Oi. Okay.
Hey,
Number.
chill out, mate.
Okay. So number nine. I don't care.
Het ging je om niet.
Wala akong pakialam. Or, bahala ka.
Wala ko'y labot.
All good, doesn't matter.
This is so chill.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. Number 10.
That's the last
Yeah.
one.
That was one. I'm not interested.
Ik is niet geïnteresseerd.
Hindi ako interesado.
In Bisaya, dili ko interesado. Or, di ko ganahan ana.
Nah, I'm good.
Na, I'm good. Shortcut, no? Thank you guys. Lalo, lingaw kaayo. Nalingaw ko. I really...
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Wait, anong it was fun in Africa?
Dit was lekker.
That
Mm.
was lekker.
Opo, dat was lekker.
You know guys, he knows how to speak Tagalog na.
Konti lang.
Oh, konti lang.
Konti lang
Very
po.
good, konti lang.
Hindi masyado.
Yun. Good evening. What's
Magandang tanghali.
No, that's
Oh,
magandang gabi?
magandang gabi. Oh, opo. Oh, is it magandang gabi po?
Magandang gabi po.
Opo.
Opo.
Means
Po,
good
po, opo is like respect.
Oh, opo.
Yeah. Okay. That's all for today's vlog.
Okay.
That's all for today. Salamat.
Okay, bye guys.
Ingat.
See you on the next vlog. Don't
Bye.
forget to
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.